Hi guys, you're welcome to Income Strategies, and this is our INSTRA1 reward token update. Yes, I just wanted to come over here to quickly give you an update to let you know that INSTRA1 has more than doubled, in fact almost tripled, and I know you don't want to lose out on this action, right? Yes, so if you know what is good for you, come on, click on the link in the description to request for the token address for you to participate in our mini launch. Okay, so let me show you something. I'm sure you're wondering, what am I talking about? This particular token started out at 0.000000. That's 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, something like that, as in the price. Well, look at the price right now. Let me show you. Let me flip Instra. I'm currently on PancakeSwap. So I want to show you the price of Instra right now. So we put one there. Look at the price. Look at the price. The price is now 8 zeros, all right, and then 326. This was at 123, like 124. Yes, the most important thing that you need to know is that the price is going up, and you need to get in now, because by the time people start selling, you want to be able to get your profits, right? And don't forget that this particular coin gives you rewards in BUSD. Yeah, so I think I want to quickly do one more trade, right, just to show you, just in case you're just wondering how do you perform this trade. So I showed you guys how to do this trade on PancakeSwap and also on DexView. So I'm just going to go ahead and try this out one more time. Let's see. I'm going to put this up here, and I'm just going to do another trade. Maybe I'll do 50 cents. No, let me do $1. I'll do $1. Like, remember what I said the last video? I showed you that you will need to do 0.0045. Oh, right now, that means BNB has gone up. So we have, well, that is giving us $1.02. So I'm going to put that as 4. I just want to make sure I leave it as $1 directly. So for now, I'm just going to pick up another $1, all right, which is actually 0.0044, right? And just to show you on this and see that whether the dynamics have changed, I told you that you should put the slippage at 15. Can you see that? Yeah, so you can, the slippage is always on 0.5, but you must always check it out to make sure that it's a higher slippage so that you can quickly go. So I'm just going to quickly do this right now, and then I'll confirm swap. Let's hope that this is going to go. It's going to go, obviously. It's going to go. So, oh, this time around, the transfer price has gone up. That's because BNB is going up, so obviously you're going to pay more. It's just normal, right? So we can see that we are actually paying, how much are we paying extra? We're paying 26 cents to buy. Now, I must let you know that this is just BSC Scan's charges, right? BSC Scan charges is 26 cents. But don't forget that even the liquidity pool will also take its charges, right? The contract will take its charges, so you need to know that it already has its own charges in between. So even though what I'm seeing here was like 1 million and something, what was it again? Let me cancel this and show you one more time so that you know what I'm saying. You know, like, look at this. I'm seeing 1,304,000. That's not what you're gonna get in your wallet. You're going to get less charge from you're going to have some transaction charges. Okay, I think like about 12% or something like that. So I must let you know, what you're going to get in your wallet will not be what you see here. It will be slightly less, right? Because the liquidity pool is also going to take its own charges from it. Then you're also going to pay charges to BSC Scan. That's the 26 cents. I just need to let you know, because I got someone asking, oh, that you got less than what, this is currently right now. By the time you're doing your own transaction, the quantity of Instra you will get might likely be less because the price would have gone up. It's just normal. That's how it is, right? So if I go, let me just click on swap, and I will go ahead and see. It's supposed to. Let me proceed to wallet. All right. Hope that does that. Let's click on proceed to wallet. All right. I think it's busy working on that. Let's hope it brings that up. Let me cancel. Okay, it's going. All right, I was going to cancel that. Yeah, 26 cents. So don't forget, there are 2 sets of charges. It's always like that on the blockchain, right? Especially if you're in a liquidity pool like we are on the decentralized exchange on PancakeSwap. You also have to pay fees there. Okay, I'll just go ahead and click on approve. All right. So you can see that it's already approved. Let's see. Okay. So I must let you know that right now the price has gone up a little bit more. It's just normal, right? So let me show you. It was 3.2 something the other time. Let's see, like we want to buy. Let's say we want to buy, we want to sell now. Let me load this one more time because we want to be sure. Okay. So let me move Instra. Let's say I want to sell one Instra. Instra. Oh, it's still loading the balance. It's loading the balance. Okay. All right. So I want to load and just want to check the price of one now. So can you see that the price has changed? Yeah, the price has changed. That's what happens. It goes up, little bit by bit. That's how it does, gently by gently, the price changes, right? So that's how it is, okay? So if you want to be part of this soft launch, just click on the link in the description and to get the token address. And I'll be sending that to you quickly. All right, I hope you've learned something today, and I hope you've seen that you need to take advantage of our INSTRA1 reward token launch. Okay, so go ahead, click on the link in the description to get the token address. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.